What fuels world-changing research? It starts with visionary scientists who push the limits of what's possible. At Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, professorships are vital to attracting and retaining such talent and sparking innovations with societal impact. The Dieter Schwarz Foundation Chair Professorship in Quantum Sovereignty and Resilience, or QUASAR, stands at the frontier of science and security.
The QUASAR program tackles the emerging risks of a quantum future. We study how quantum technologies can strengthen encryption, build quantum-safe systems, and protect the growing ecosystems of internet-connected devices.
In simple terms, quantum technologies allow us to measure with extreme precision and secure information in ways classical systems cannot, from photon-based qubits to ultra-sensitive quantum sensors.
This professorship provides the resources to accelerate our work in quantum information sciences. It helps us to attract outstanding students and young researchers, work with leading partners around the world, and bring discovery from lab to society. As chair of the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering and director of Quantum Science and Engineering Center at NTU, I lead efforts that connect education, research, and national priorities. Together, these roles and this professorship form a powerful combination.
Under his leadership, NTU researchers are redefining what's possible. One breakthrough is the quantum conference experiment, where researchers use a mode pairing technique, essentially matching signals in a smart way to greatly boost the speed and scalability of quantum communication.
Quantum communication, especially quantum key distribution, safeguards critical information in finance, defense, and government. I'm very grateful to the Dieter Schwarz Foundation for this generous support. It gives us the momentum to push into new frontiers of quantum science, where advances in secure communication, sensing, and computing can truly make an impact. The next decade will be an incredibly exciting time for our field. With the resources and the recognition of this professorship, I hope to accelerate breakthroughs and contribute to discoveries that place NTU at the forefront of global quantum innovation.
Empowering eminent faculty, advancing research, and shaping the future with professorships.